Hi, little learners. More fun with Earth Week, and today we are going to be using things that we find in nature that our beautiful Earth provides, and we're going to build some bugs because one thing we have a lot of on this Earth are insects or bugs. So I did some collecting outside, and I gathered some branches that I found on the ground, and I snapped off these little pieces. They'd make great little, maybe legs on a bug. I picked up some rocks, different sizes. I have some small rocks, some big rocks. I found some different kinds of leaves. Some are feathery, some are shaped different, tons of leaves. And then I always have shells. I love collecting shells at the beach, so I always have some shells. I also have some flowers. I couldn't find a lot of flowers, but I found some flowers. You can't find these outside, but I added in some googly eyes. So we're going to build some bugs, and we're going to bring some math into it. And we're going to be using even numbers. So what I did on my rocks is I put the numbers on the rocks. So the even numbers start at 2, and then they go up at 2. So 2, 4, 6, 8. And you can keep going, maybe even up to 20. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. 20 legs on an insect? Oh my word, that would be awesome. So insects are symmetrical. So remember, here's my line of symmetry. It's the same on both sides. It's a mirror image. So if you have an insect with 6 legs, what makes 6? Let's see. There's 1, 2, 3 legs on one side. How many more legs do we need? 1, 2, 3. So that makes 6. 3 plus 3 is 6. So my number says 6, so I'm going to match my legs to my number. So I need something else on this. Let's put a little feathery head there, and I'm going to use my shells as my eyes. Oh my word. Look at this insect with 6 legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'll make one more insect. So you can have lots of fun gathering your loose parts from nature with your students. Lots of fun. And then you can have them create, but the legs match the number. So I'm going to use the number 8. And you know what? I'm going to use these little shells for my legs this time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I have 4 on that side. How many do I need to make 8? So I have 4 plus 4. 4 plus 4 equals 8. And it looks totally symmetrical. I'm going to use this little guy. Insects usually have 3 body parts. They have the head, the abdomen, and thorax. And they also usually have 6 legs. So we're making our own up today. So I'm going to actually put 3 body parts on this little guy. Use this up here. You know what? This looked good last time. Use him. And I might use my googly eyes this time. So cute. So I want to make sure my legs match my number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This one actually has a head, abdomen, thorax. I could put 2 antennas on here. Ta-da! Sometimes they have wings, but look at, there you go, number 8. So have lots of fun building your bugs. It's just as much fun gathering the materials as it is making them. And there's so many things we can do outside for Earth Week. So outside as much as you can. Have fun.